National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County, St. Clair County until 7 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Clifford to Dearborn to Carlton and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Shelby Township and Center Line around 6 p.m. Romeo and Drosville around 6:05 p.m. Riley Center and Dray Center around 6:10 p.m. Chesterfield Township and Yale around 6:15 p.m. Goodells and Fargo around 6:20 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Yale, Warren, Sterling Heights, St. Clair Shores, St. Clair, Romeo, Richmond, Port Huron, New Baltimore, Mount Clemens, Memphis, Murraysville, Marine City, Macomb Township, Lakeport, Parsons Island, Emmett, Capac, Armada, Algonac. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.